Okay, so let me share with you some squeaks I was able to eliminate where they were coming from this side of the car. Same thing from the other side. So first I put this material here because when the door closes it squeezes with this side, and when it moves it rubs a bit and makes a squeaky noise. The same thing here on the other side. So when it doesn't touch, when it touches this side doesn't squeak. As well, there was a squeak hidden in this movement. When I was doing this, it was squeaking, and it was because here this part was rubbing with this on this part, and I managed to squeeze in this material here and stop the squeak. Now another source of squeak was this part here, when I was pushing, or the door when I was pushing on this side, it was squeaking. This is not the best solution, it's like a temporary one, but it closes the issue for now. Squeaky doors I was managed to solve. I will show in a moment, but you can try. If your doors squeak and if you do like this, you will hear them squeak. Now it doesn't make any noise. So what I did was, this is the touching point. This is the touching point with the rubber right here. You can use silicone spray and it helps for a while, but not for long. And this tape here solved the issue completely. Cracking noise, a knocking noise under my seat when I was turning on left and right. So it was because of the stream here. See, if I push it, it makes these noises. What I did was I needed to fix it in place so it doesn't move. And I use this stuff here, pieces of wood to get the right height and to make it tight fit. If it's not tight enough, you add more this tape here. This tape I just used to hide the wood. So it's just a temporary solution, but it helped me, and no cracking noise anymore. Knocking